physics. I'm using my new microphone. I'm not sure how well it's going to work. We're going to give it a try. So basically the plan for the next 2 weeks in preparation for the final is we're going to review one investigation per day. So what that's going to be is a slideshow that you go through to look at investigation 1, to look at investigation number 2, 3, etc. And we're going to go over that in different ways in the afternoon each day. There'll probably be options for you. If you would like to work in groups, if you feel pretty confident, just want to kind of check your knowledge, we'll be able to do that for the first few minutes, and then we will probably go over it as a large group to make sure you guys all got it. If you have not done test corrections yet, you should do them by tonight. Yeah. So that's really it. Like, that's the plan for the next couple weeks. Is we're going to do one investigation per day, do the slideshow in the morning, and then kind of review it in the afternoon. We might play a review board game. We might do a Kahoot. But that's basically the idea there. Okay?